myself first before I start this activity. My name is Alicia Zahira Reza, but you can call me Alicia. In today's meeting, I'm going to present about computer, or we can call it TIK. But before that, I want to tell you about the material that we're going to learn in TIK. Can you go to the next? So we're going to learn about one material in TIK. It is hardware in computer. But before that, we have to know about what is the computer system. A computer is a machine that can be programmed to automatically carry out of sequences of arithmetic or logical operation. Modern digital electronics, computer can perform generic sets of operations known as programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. Next, we're going to learn about why do we need to learn about hardware of computer. Because by assessing and understanding of every computer hardware component, you may understand about its significance, and then you're able to conduct about the troubleshooting measures that are appropriate when it's broken. Every hardware component is also equally very important to the functioning of your computer. So we can learn about the computer of hardware, then we can fix it if there's a troubleshooting in the company. Now we're moving on to the hardware of computer. What is hardware of computer? Computer hardware is a collective term used to describe any of the physical components of an analog or digital computer. Let's see about the difference of hardware and software. Hardware is the physical part that make up a computer, such as a keyboard. But software is the programs that run on the computer in order for you to use it. There are 4 types of hardware. Do you know what it is? The first one are input device, second one are output device, the third one are storage, and the fourth one are processor. What is input devices? Input devices refers to any information that are data that is sent to a computer for processing. It is often sent to the computer from devices such as a keyboard, mouse, and other devices. These are the example of input device. First one are mouse. A mouse is a small device that computer user pushes across a disk surface in order to point to a place on the display screen and to select one or more actions to take from that position. The second one are keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or key. Next one, we're going to learn about output device. An output device is a hardware component that process data into a form that can be understood by a human or used by another device. In this context, output is the final result that users can see, hear, or physically interact with. These are the examples of output device. The first one are monitor. So monitor is usually showing the screen that can be when we use it a mouse or keyboard. And the second one are printer. What is printer? A printer is a device that accepts the text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper, usually to a standard size by 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. Now we're going to learn about storage device. Do you know what is storage device? Storage is the process through which digital data is saved within a data storage device by means of computing technology. Storage is a mechanism that enables a computer to retain data either temporarily or permanently. These are the examples of storage. First one, a hard drive or hard disk drive, HDD. It's a type of data storage device that is used in a laptop and desktop computer. And HDD is a non-volatile storage drive, which means it can retain the stored data even when no power is applied to the device. The second one, a USB flash drive, can store important files and data backup, carry favorite settings or applications, run diagnostic to troubleshooting computer problems, or launch an OS from bootable USB. Now we're going to learn about the last one, are called processor devices. The processing devices are the computer hardware components that help to handle the processing of the information, storage and retrieval process to the information. Now let's moving on to the example of processor devices. First one are central processing unit, or we can call it as CPU. It's a hardware component that's the core computational unit in the server. The second one are RAM. It's a common computing acronym that stands for random access memory. Sometimes it is called PC memory or just memory. In essence, RAM is your computer, your laptop's short-term memory.